My name's Jonathan Bobrow. I'm CEO and founder of Move38. We're a design and game company. We're getting ready to release the world's first board game that can think for itself. They're called Blinks, and each Blink knows a different game and can teach every other Blink how to play that game. Found out about NY Designs a year ago and it sounded like a perfect fit. It was design, tech, hardware, and I was surrounded by startups and given a real amount of space to work in. One of my favorite spaces at NY Designs is on the 9th floor. It's called the Fab Lab. It's 5,000 square feet of all of my favorite tools. They're computer numerically controlled machines, so I get to make computer designs and have the machines cut them out with precision.